This video, it's about my experience with Citristrips to strip the paint in a baseboard. My house is an old house, so there are some tricks to use the Citristrip maximal. I'm using plastic. Any plastic can work, so I will show you how make you easy to peel without any effort. So keep watching. I did apply the Citristrips on the project I want to do. So you can see on the baseboard the Citristrip I applied. Now it's time for me to cover the Citristrip with plastic and then let the Citristrips sit. I will let the Citristrip sit for 24 hours. Step 2, after you strip all the paint, I will brush with water and then spray and clean with alcohol and Scotch-Brite, the green one. So it just like clean every bit paint left on the baseboard. And sometimes you still see the paint in the baseboard not because the Citristrip doesn't work, because the wood kind of crack and hole, so the paint go inside the crack. You will see the result after I clean this baseboard. Last steps, this is optional. Normally after I clean them all, I will wipe with paper towel, but this is optional. You don't have to do this. So this is after the baseboard dry. It looks pretty good, and then see you in my next video. Bye, and don't forget subscribe and share and like this video. Bye. Thank you for watching.